be honest, it's kind of scary-ish. We're entering the tunnel, the man-made tunnel. Oh, nice. They really did some like big job here. Well planned. It's a new craze in Ireland. It's a must. Come here, guys. Have a look. Wow. Pretty good, pretty good. We're just about to go up. Nice, huh? Hopefully you're seeing what I'm seeing there. Oh, look at the height. Mind you guys, before going up there, there's a kind of a toilet there just to make sure that you won't be going up there. So you do it here before going up, okay? Now we're going up. This is the first pace to go up. Oh, it's actually okay. It's solid anyway. It's concrete down here, and as we go up, it goes up. Oh, we're already up. Okay, it goes up in circles. So remember, that's where we came from, the tunnel. And as we go up, as we walk going up and up and up like that, it is an incline sort of it goes up in increments. Lots of people there, lots of excitement. Looking at the crowd coming out the slides. Well, to be honest, it's kind of scary-ish, the like of the tube, but I'm sure when you're inside you don't see anything. You're just gonna go, ah! Oh my goodness, huh? What is it, Zato? I just think, oh my goodness.
What is this?
That is the entire the inside of the tower, and that's the tube, the sliding, the slides, the tube. Wow. I've actually seen a kid kind of it's like really pale because he probably did the slides and he got scared. I can't blame him. And yeah, it's very high. Probably the highest in Ireland, if not the highest tube slide in the world.
So we're queuing for the mats to slide down from all the way up there.
Oh my god. If you want to do the slide, you have to queue for about, I don't know, maybe minimum 20 minutes because you need to get the mat. You can see there, people are queuing. Okay, we're up here. There's actually a father who gave us one mat. He's not going with his daughter because when you're up here, sometimes, you know, little kids, they don't want to. And like, you can't blame them, but it's the quickest way to go down.
cafe. Yeah, we need cafe. You can hear the screams.
Yeah, you can hear the screams. Now we're going.
Enough of this.
So we left our legs there. So
Yeah, hold me, please.
okay.
Are we ready? Okay.
You guys. Oh, that was fun.
You just walked into the very end here.
That was fun. Yeah, the good.
Get a time to do. Okay. Yeah.
That's nice. How is it? How is it? How is it?
Fun, Lala.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it.
Nice.
It was very good.
Oh my god, that was amazing, guys. Good thing I was able to go down in time, and I was able to capture you guys coming out, and I knew it's you guys coming out because from the top you were both of you were shouting. Like I can hear your voice. Oh my god.